After 25 years without an update to the Agile Manifesto, Agentic AI has led to the rise of at least 4 new versions. We're going through them today. Thanks for tuning in. Traditional software engineering life cycles are explicitly designed around the assumption that output of a software system is known in advance and dictated by hard-coded procedural logic. Agentic systems utilize neural networks and large language models where behaviors and software outputs are emergent, probabilistic, and discovered in real time. Consequently, the overarching objective of software delivery has shifted. The goal is no longer accelerating code production, it's guaranteeing architectural correctness, enforcing security boundaries, and ensuring behavioral alignment. Governing such systems requires an evolutionary transition from managing code logic to managing goal states, incentive structures, and strict environmental boundaries. As such, several industry leaders have set out to evolve the Agile Manifesto for the age of Agentic AI. Unlike the original manifesto, which is a single document that was signed by the Agile leaders of 2001 at a ski lodge in Colorado, the Agentic Agile Manifesto appears to have been created a few times over by different organizations. I've counted 4, and each with different values, though similar in theme. I think it's worth diving into the nuances of each, but before we can talk about the new manifestos, I need to talk about Software 3.0. Software 3.0 is a conceptual paradigm where natural language prompting and large language models replace traditional code as the primary way humans instruct computers. Instead of writing explicit step-by-step logic to solve a problem, developers define the desired outcome in plain English, provide the necessary tools or context, and let an AI model figure out the execution path. In this new paradigm, the way we think about computing architecture shifts. In abstract terms, we can think of it this way. The LLM is the operating system. The model acts as the core interpreter that processes instructions, calls external tools like APIs or databases, and manages the workflow. The context window is the RAM. It holds the active data. The context window holds the documents, instructions, the tool outputs, and the conversational history the LLM needs to solve a problem. Prompting is programming. The text you provide to an AI agent is the source code. You're no longer writing code, you're writing skill files that give agents a persona, constraints, and a goal. Adopting the Agentic Agile Manifestos requires accepting the Software 3.0 programming paradigm. Multiple organizations and individuals have Agentic Agile Manifestos, most notably Microsoft. We'll start with that one. Spearheaded by Daniel Epstein at Microsoft, this manifesto focuses on the daily process of working alongside AI. The values include spec-driven over prompt-driven. Open-ended prompting leads to fragile, unintegrated code. Instead, human developers should use spec-driven development, providing the AI with strict issue-based specifications, acceptance criteria, and explicit negative constraints. Agents as parallel teammates. AI outputs carry the same downstream consequences as human commits. Work is decomposed into isolated, independently executable units, allowing humans and AI agents to work simultaneously in parallel without code collisions. Built-in governance. Because AI capabilities are unpredictable, safety constraints, independent review gates, and trust boundaries need to be structurally built into the architecture from the start, rather than bolted on later. Next is the Agentic Manifesto, authored by technologist Casey West. This framework adapts Agile principles to address the shift from deterministic software, where logic is explicitly coded and predictable, to non-deterministic AI-driven software, where solutions are emergent and discovered. It introduces the Agentic Delivery Lifecycle, or ADLC. Values on this include urban planning over construction. Engineers should shift from writing predefined step-by-step logic to acting like urban planners. They define the goals, incentive structures, and strict zoning laws, the negative constraints, and allow the AI solutions to emerge organically. Continuous tuning over binary testing. In traditional software, a unit test passes or fails. In an agentic system, an AI might achieve a goal but use an inefficient, strange, or overly expensive path. So binary testing should be replaced by continuous behavioral tuning and probabilistic validation. And finally, sustainable oversight. To allow AI to scale safely, West advocates for asynchronous human-in-the-loop oversight through continuous monitoring and tuning rather than human-in-the-loop interventions, where AI is constantly bottlenecked waiting for human approval. The third manifesto on the list is the AI Coding Agent Manifesto, authored by Shay Cohen for Wix Engineering. This practical set of guidelines pushes back against vibe coding, which is blindly generating and accepting AI code until it visually appears to work, often with little knowledge of coding. These values include the human as the skeleton builder. The developer's job is no longer to type syntax, but to define strict contracts, architectural boundaries, and invariant rules that the AI is not allowed to violate. Again, the negative constraints. Separation of duties. Never let the same AI model write the code and test the code. An agent testing its own output is like a developer testing their own code or a student grading their own test. Guilty until proven innocent. Speed without verification is just tech debt. AI-generated code is inherently untrustworthy and must pass human reviews before being shipped. Explicit context. Unlike junior human developers, AI agents will confidently execute tasks without ever asking clarifying questions. Codebases should contain explicit instruction files detailing the exact repository, conventions, and tribal knowledge the AI must follow. Finally, we have the Agentic Manifesto from Mircea. I'm not going to try the last name there. I think I'll try to put a pronunciation from the internet here for your edification. This manifesto, which is hosted at agenticmanifesto.org, serves as a direct high-level spiritual successor to the original 2001 Agile Manifesto. It provides a broader philosophical and cultural umbrella. Values in this one include human-AI co-creation over siloed development and automation, meaning AI should be treated as a collaborative partner. Humans and AI should actively brainstorm, draft, edit, and refine together in a continuous shared workflow. Adaptive intelligence over static deliverables, meaning the agentic approach views software as a dynamic living system that can analyze user behavior and adjust its own UI or algorithms in real time without requiring a massive manually coded human update. Distributed agency over centralized control, meaning autonomous AI agents are empowered to make micro-decisions, suggest features, and execute tasks within their specific domains and predefined guardrails. And discovery over predictability, meaning teams should let go of rigid predictability and embrace an environment where solutions are discovered organically through rapid AI interaction and iteration. Collectively, these Agentic Agile Manifestos redefine software development in the AI era by shifting the human role from writing syntax to acting as orchestrators and architects, who define strict specifications, goals, and boundaries. These frameworks envision AI models as collaborative, parallel teammates capable of distributed agency and emergent problem solving. Because AI-generated output is non-deterministic and inherently unpredictable, all four frameworks emphasize the critical need for robust built-in governance, including replacing traditional binary testing with continuous behavioral tuning and enforcing a strict separation of duties between coding and testing. The traditional planning phase evolves from documenting user desires into an exercise in defining operational boundaries. Before an agent is permitted to generate a single line of code, human architects must establish the ethical guardrails, persona constraints, and explicit operational escalation paths that define precisely when an agent must halt execution and request human intervention. In practical enterprise applications, every desired software capability is codified as a discrete, heavily structured issue in the backlog with precise acceptance criteria. Non-coding analytical background agents continuously scrutinize newly created backlog items to identify missing edge cases, highlight unstated technical assumptions, and automatically flag uncertainties for human review. The execution phase represents the highest degree of agent autonomy within the ADLC. Rather than manually writing code, human engineers focus on empowering the agent's digital environment. This is achieved through context engineering, specifically by utilizing retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, carefully curating institutional knowledge and securely connecting deterministic APIs for the agent to utilize. As code production velocity scales exponentially under agentic frameworks, the core bottleneck in software delivery shifts from code generation to code verification. The traditional reliance on simple binary unit test is insufficient for evaluating the nuanced emergent behaviors of autonomous systems. A piece of agent-generated code may successfully pass a rudimentary functional unit test while simultaneously introducing an incredibly inefficient sorting algorithm, violating specific corporate memory management standards, or injecting subtle, obfuscated security vulnerabilities. Scrum Masters and Agile coaches need to enforce spec-driven development, where open-ended user stories are replaced by discrete, heavily structured issues featuring precise acceptance criteria and explicit negative constraints. At the organizational level, they should guide cultural and psychological shifts as developers transition from writing step-by-step syntax to acting as orchestrators who define goals, incentive structures, and operational boundaries. Coaches will face the significant challenge of retraining executives and stakeholders to prioritize organic discovery over rigid predictability, acknowledging that AI-driven software is a dynamic living system. Ultimately, they must help enterprises establish structural, human on-the-loop oversight and built-in governance, mapping out explicit escalation paths before an agent is permitted to generate a line of code. Enterprise agility coaching is paramount in executing this transition smoothly. An often overlooked objective for Agile coaches is managing the human cognitive load associated with this transition. Managing multiple, highly communicative AI agents concurrently can introduce severe context switching. The human element can't be overlooked. These professionals leverage non-coding analytical AI agents to conduct purely data-driven retrospectives. By instantaneously processing vast arrays of ticket transitions, thousands of pull requests, comments, and dense chat logs, these AI agents completely eliminate human recency bias and objectively pinpoint organizational silos, domain knowledge gaps, and process inefficiencies. However, the human coach remains essential for power skills. While AI agents process data flawlessly, they can't manage human interactions. Skills such as empathy, high-level negotiation, and navigating corporate politics remain exclusively the domain of the human Agile coach. The transition to Software 3.0 and the rise of Agentic Agile Manifestos represents a fundamental evolution in how we approach computing. As code production velocity scales exponentially under agentic frameworks, the human element remains the anchor. Agile coaches and Scrum Masters will be absolutely critical in guiding organizations through this psychological and cultural transition. They face the dual challenge of retraining executives to embrace organic discovery over rigid predictability, while simultaneously managing the severe context switching and cognitive load placed on teams who are now orchestrating multiple AI agents at once. While AI can instantaneously process vast arrays of chat logs and ticket transitions to objectively pinpoint inefficiencies without recency bias, it can't manage human interactions. Navigating corporate politics, applying empathy, and mastering high-level negotiation are power skills that remain exclusively human domains. Well, that's all for today. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Until next time, take care.